What's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? It is your boy Nico. Welcome back to my channel. I guess, does that look good? I don't know. So this is going to be part 2 of my selling all of my luxury goods video. In last week's episode, I was telling you guys about my new series, which is called From Maximalist to Minimalist. So basically what that means is I felt like I had a whole bunch of trendy items. I felt like I had a bunch of loud and cool pieces. But now that I'm getting older, I feel like I'm going to events that don't call for that. And I did say I was selling on Grailed, but I've noticed like a lot of people don't have Grailed. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to link my email down below, and you guys can always Instagram DM me if you see something that you want. I just think it's going to be easier that way, but I will only accept PayPal just to protect myself and yourself. So if you guys don't have PayPal, sign up for that, because I'm not doing anything else. I'm not doing Cash App, which is called Scam App to my opinion, because I got scammed on it before. And Venmo, like, no. So I just rather stick to PayPal. So if anything you guys see that you like in these videos and you don't have Grailed, definitely send me an email telling me what you would want, and send me your best offers. No, I'm not looking to get rich over here, but also I'm not looking to get, like, you know, lowball. So definitely send me your best offers, and I'm pretty sure we can work something out. I already sold a lot to you guys. I've been getting a lot of DMs and emails stating about you guys saw something you loved. So I just rather sell to you guys first since you're my loyal subscriber versus to perfect strangers I don't know. But anyway, enough talking. Let me take you guys throughout the closet and some of these drawers, and a lot of stuff, a lot of good stuff, a lot of stuff that are probably shocking to you guys that I'm selling. And I'm sorry about the lighting, because this is natural light I'm using. I might put up the ring light, I'm not sure, but I'm feeling the natural vibe today, you know, the natural sunlight. But anyway, enough talking, let's do it now. If anybody's interested in this, they can let me know too. This is like a Fendi bracelet that says Fendi Salaria on it. I bought it in green because green is my favorite color. But I notice whenever I buy something that's green, I never wear it. Yes, I know it's my favorite color, but it's like, Nico, you're never going to wear it. So just love the color and not stop buying things that are green. I'm keeping all of this. I might consider selling this. This is the Kelly dog tag. I never wear this one. I wish I would have got the double revolve. That's the one that I really want. So I might sell this one. Well, I will sell this one to get that one, because that one is the one that I really, really wanted. And I don't know why I didn't buy that. So definitely giving this up. So I know some of you guys might be surprised, but I'm definitely selling one of my CDC bracelets. I just noticed I don't gravitate to this color like at all. This is the blue sapphire with the gold hardware. I love CDCs, like I love them, love them, love them, but I don't wear this one, so I'm like, why let it sit there and collect dust? And some of them still, like some of the hardware still has a plastic on it. Like I know the plastic is still over here on the front, and it is in pristine condition, no scratches, no digs in the leather. This is in, I think, calf blue. I think it's calfskin leather. Let me just show it to you. And here's the inside. And I also have the receipts for a lot of these items. I know people are like, oh, is it real? Is it real? I'm like, don't try it. I love, love, love sunglasses. This is one of them. I've never even worn these. This is so funny. So if you guys like that, let me know. I think that's it for this side. So I showed you guys some stuff that I'm considering selling, but again, some items I am going to keep. Let me know if you like anything, and we can, like I said, work that out. Everything's going to be in the description box down below. I'll try to list as much information about the products you guys are seeing, just to make it easier for yourself and for me. But now let's tackle the closet. Like, I really need to clean up there. Yeah, because down here is perfect now. Like, it's exactly how I want it. I've like eliminated so much of the like clutter and the mess. And you guys are really, really cool because you guys are loving it and buying it. But yeah, I need to clean up there and I don't want to. I really don't. But let's tackle this together. That's why you guys are here, to help me out. So let me come down lower to show you guys the rest of the sunglasses. Like, I have so many sunglasses that I do not even wear. I bought them and like they were trendy and they were cool, and then all of a sudden I'm just like, you know what, I don't want these anymore, or I'm not feeling these anymore. So I showed you guys some before, but let me really clean out and really show you guys the rest of that I do have and really sell what I need to sell. These are the Adidas ones that I wear all the time. These ones are my favorites, so I'm definitely not getting rid of these. They look like that. So let me get that. I want to sell these. These are Dior, and they feature like something sort of. Oh no, I'm not selling these. I love these. These are these type of Dior's with the green tinted lens. They're like classic Ray-Ban Wayfarers, but I never ever wear these because I have the Celine ones that you guys saw before. Let me show you. So I have these, and they remind me of this one. So I feel like I always gravitate towards these because these are a little bit more like my style. And this one is very classic, very cool, but I might just sell these as well because I love these and I wear these more. So it makes no sense to have these. These are my favorite Tom Ford sunglasses, and I love them. Oh my goodness, I love these. I don't even know what these are called. Let me show you guys how they look. Don't they look freaking so cool and amazing? And these I found on sale, and these were popping at one point in time. I don't know why I got them. They were on sale and they were Prada, and they feature these roses at the top, and they come like this. So if anybody wants to buy these, let me know. These are definitely iconic Prada sunglasses. And last but not least, my favorite ones of them all. I would wear them every day. Dior Technologics in the silver. I love these ones. So those are all of the sunglasses. You know, I guess I'm selling a bunch of them, but I'm also keeping a bunch. So I had to get a ladder because clearly I'm not tall enough to get up there. So let's start finally now. Just okay. So these hats I never ever worn or wear. So I might just get rid of them. Donate them or sell them, I'm not sure. So here are the hats, leather one, this gray one, and then this one. So I'm thinking about getting rid of those or donating those. These scarves I never ever wear. This one's from H&M, and then this one's from Zara. Like, I used to wear them, but this one, it gets stuck in like my beard and all over my face because of the, I guess, the material. So I'm definitely gonna, you know, I guess donate that. And this one is like this tube looking scarf that looks like this, and I'm gonna just donate that again. These are all my Giuseppe shoes. I wear these all the time, so I'm definitely keeping those. This is this one. You guys have seen all of them before, actually. There's this navy blue one. And here's the black one. So I love these shoes, and I think they look really good as always. Like, I would recommend Giuseppe shoes. Like, for me, they look really good. And this is an empty Lanvin box. I think I have these shoes at work. This dusty people. So we got these. Oh my gosh, I remember these. These are classic. I used to wear these all the time. I think I'm gonna keep these. I love these shoes. These are like the Nike SB Golden Dunks. Then I have like the Prada. Who remembers back in the day the Prada American Cups, or what are they called? Prada World Cups. Back in the day, these were $330. I remember because this was like my first luxury purchase. I did like a poll on Instagram about it. I make sure to link my Instagram channel somewhere here so you guys can follow me because I always update there or do my funny stories. These are now selling for $660, but here they go. I still have mine. I might keep one. Well, I will keep one, and I will sell the other two. This one is the brown black colorway. I have, the grayish greenish colorway. And all of these are a size 9 because Prada runs big. So I'm a size normally 43, but I got these in a 42. And last but not least, this was actually my first one, which are the navy blue ones. So if any of you guys are interested, definitely let me know. I think I'm gonna donate these. These was like, I had these for a while. I remember like my friend at the time, like if he bought them and I was like, oh man, like these are really cool. He's like, you should buy them too. And they were doing a sale, like 2 for $100 or something like that. And so I bought them and I never wore them. So wasting my money. Oh my gosh, this would be perfect for Halloween. So back in the day, I had like a Nike Dunk SB phase where I was just buying them non-stop. And like now I'm like, damn, now I got a whole bunch of them. But I remember these and I love these. I used to wear these as much as I wore the gold ones. So I'm definitely not getting rid of these. I definitely got to keep these. And it comes with extra laces. I remember back in the day where all the sneakers always used to come with extra laces. So here's the extra laces to this one. And I love these sneakers. And I definitely want to sell these for anybody looking. These are Celine. They're size 42, but they also run large, like I said. They come with 2 dust bags. And these are the slip-on sneakers by Celine that I bought a while ago. I wore them one time to a backyard barbecue, and I never wore them again. I don't know why, but if anybody's looking to buy some Celine sneakers, here they go. Got these blue ones. I think I wore these to like a party, like a Juve party. I don't know if you guys would know what Juve is. So it's like a Labor Day party festivities. So I might just keep one of them just for those type of days where I'm like, you know what, I want to go party and I don't really care about what sneakers I'm wearing. So I don't know which colorway I'm going to keep, but as you guys can see, I got the same sneaker in like 10 different colors and I'm just like, Nico, no more. Stop doing that. So I'm taking you over here to this bookshelf. And the thing that I'm looking to get rid of is in here. Can anybody guess? This is a wallet that I freaking never wear, but I love it. So if anybody is interested in buying my little Fendi poof balls, maybe not this one because I wear this one all the time. Maybe this one. It comes with all of the authenticity cards and all of that stuff. And it is this one here. It is the D. I got D for Dawson because I didn't like the N. So is this one. If anybody's willing to buy that one, let me know. Some scarves and some other things and some books that I'm reading at the moment. And my bookshelf is expanding. And this is, oh, I have this. I don't know if you guys are interested in this. This Fendi Monster wallet. Like, I'm not selling it, but if somebody's really interested in buying it, let me know because I typically wear this or just use this as my travel wallet. But again, I have like 3 travel wallets and I don't need all of them. So make me an offer, and if you guys really, really want it, it's in great condition. So that's about it, beautiful people. So I'm about to go take a shower right now because those dusty boxes got me feeling disgusting. So let's have our comment party down below. Definitely check out the description box because I'm going to list as much information down there as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for more videos. I think I'm going to be posting regularly on Mondays as typically as I did before. If you guys have any questions, definitely just let me know. You guys know you're my peoples, and I just definitely want to show you guys. I cannot wait to show you guys what's coming because there's gonna be some fire stuff coming. But I just want to definitely start all over and get rid of this stuff, and I'm gonna be donating a lot to charity. So if you have any questions, like I said, let's have a comment party down below. And that's about it, beautiful people. So have a good day. Bye.